Hello my dear students. Today I brought a new topic for you, that is simple equation. Equation means which carries equal sign, some constants, variables and operators of course. So we can say x plus 3 is equal to 5. This is a simple equation as it contains equal sign, a variable and constants operators. Okay, so this is called a simple equation. Now the next step is how to find the value of the equation. For this only you have to clear one thing. If plus is, yeah, that means if some number is added here and when we send number in other side it will be in subtraction. If it will comes in subtraction it will change into addition. In the same way if number is multiplied then it will change into division, and if it is in division then it is changed into multiplication. And only with this concept we can solve any equation. So we will start exercise 4.1 from NCERT book. First question is complete the column of the table. It is very easy question. I will explain this question in a very easy way. See, first we have to find the solution with is it true or not. Okay? So how we will do? We will find the answer and then we can compare which one is right or wrong. Suppose x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the first question. So x will be, as I explained you, plus 3. So when we send plus 3 on the other side, it will come in subtraction. So x is equal to minus 3. So now just check first one, x is equal to 3. That means it is no. Then second, x is equal to 0. No. Then third one, x is equal to minus 3. That means this is the answer. So we will write yes here. Now the fourth one. So it is very easy way. I have find the answer once and I have done 3 parts with the same answer. Okay. Now move to next question. X minus 7 is equal to 1. Minus is here. So when we send in another direction, it will be plus. So 1 plus 7, that is 8. अब हम आंसर चेक करते हैं. सी फोर्थ x is equal to 7. So no. Fifth x is equal to 8. Yes. So fifth is the answer. ठीक है. Now move to the next one. 6th is 5x is equal to 25. See, 5 is multiplied by x. In algebra, if there is no sign, that means multiplication. So x will be 25 upon 5. That means 5. अब हम आंसर चेक कर लें. See, 6 is x is 0. So no. 7 x is equal to 5. Yes. And 8 x is equal to minus 5. No. Now the last one, m upon 3 upon 2. 3 is in division. So when we send in another side, it will come in multiplication. 2 into 3. So m will be equal to 6. Now we can check the answer. First one is minus 6. No. 10th is m is equal to 0. No. And 11th m is equal to 6. Yes. So in this way we can find all the answers. And it is very easy. Now move to the next question. Second question is just like this question. N plus 5 is equal to 19. So I will do only one question and I think all of you are able to solve. Now I will solve this question in another way. See, in this question it is given that n is equal to 1. So what we will do, we will put the value of n here, and if both the sides are equal then this will be the solution. All of you know whatever we have written in the left hand side is called LHS, left hand side, and here in the right is called right hand side or RHS. So LHS is n plus 5, put n is equal to 1 here, 1 plus 5, this is 6, and RHS is 19 only. Are they equal? No, LHS is not equal to RHS. That means this is not a solution. Now we move to next question. So all the other parts you can solve in the same way. Third question is trial and error method. It is very easy question. See, in the trial and error method, we will put the values again and again until or unless we will not get the answer. ठीक है? We have the equation 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Very easy question. So first we will make a table. It is not necessary, it is not given in any book, but it is the easier way to show your present method very conveniently. अपने आंसर को अच्छे से डिस्प्ले करने के लिए हम इसको टेबल में बना देते हैं. सी फर्स्ट पुट वैल्यू ऑफ वेरिएबल यानी वैल्यू ऑफ पी. देन वी हैव LHS. See, make the bigger portion for LHS because we have to write more here, and then RHS, and last one is LHS is equal to RS. When we are substituting the value, we have to check are they equal or no. So first, when we put P is equal to 1, LHS is 5 into 1 plus 2. 5 plus 2, this is 7 and this is 17. Are they equal? No. So write here no. Now go for the next one. P is equal to 2. 5 into 2 plus 2. 10 plus 2, that is 12. And this is 17. Are they equal? No. Now we move to 3. 5 into 3 plus 2. 15 plus 2, that is 17. And RHS is also 17. So yes, now we will get the answer. That is P is equal to 3. This is our answer. Okay. Now we move to the next question, question number 4. And the second part of third question is just like it, so I can understand you can do yourself also. Now we move to the question number 4. Here we have to write the equation for the following statement. So as the statement says, we have to change into mathematical form. It is very easy. First one, the sum of number x and 4 is 9. Sum means plus. X and 4 is 9. This is the answer. Okay. Second is 2 subtracted from y is 8. 2 subtracted from y is 8. यहीं पे बच्चे गलती करते हैं. They will write 2 minus y. No. 2 is subtracted from y. So whatever is written after from we have to write first. From के बाद जो लिखा होता है उसको पहले लिखना है. Then third 10 times a यानी कि 10a is equal to 70. Then fourth, the number b divided by 5. b divided by 5 gives 6. Gives means equal to. Then fifth, 3/4 of t. 3/4 of means multiplication is 15. Next, 7 times m. इसका मतलब 7m plus 7 gives 77. This is the answer. Next question. 1/4 of a number minus 4 gives 4. 1/4 of a number means 1/4 into x. Minus 4 is 4. Very easy. Now 8th one. If you take away 6 from 6 times y, अगर हम 6 को take away means minus करते किससे? 6y से. Answer is 60. Then last one, if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, 1/3 of z plus 3, you get 30. So these are the equation form when statements are given. Okay. In the next question, if you are interested, you can take the screenshot of this answers. Next question is reverse of it. Equation is given and you have to write the statement form. First is p plus 4 is equal to 15. So, sum of p and 4 is 15. Second, m minus 7 is equal to 3. 7 is subtracted from m is 3. Third is 2m is equal to 7. So very easy. Twice a number is 7. Or we can write double of a number is 7. Or we can write 2 times of a number is 7. So there are so many ways to write the same answer. एक ही आंसर को लिखने के लिए हमारे पास बहुत से तरीके हैं. Now fourth one, m upon 5 is 3. So a number divided by 5 gives 3. Then next 3/5 3m upon 5 is equal to 6. Any 3/5 of a number is 6. Then 6 3p plus 4 is equal to 25. So 4 is added to 3 times a number is 25. Next 4p minus 2 is equal to 18. So 2 is subtracted from 4 times p is or gives 18. And the last one is half of a number p upon 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. So how we can write half of a number added to 2 gives 8. Now all of you can write. You can take a screenshot also. Now we move to the last question of this exercise, in which questions are given in the form of word problem and we have to make the equation for it. Only we have to set up the equation. This is the question. Set up the equation for the following cases. If Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has, Irfan has 37 marbles. Irfan के पास है, Irfan has 37 marbles. Let the number of marbles Parmeet has x. So equation 7 more, 7 ज़्यादा है किससे? 5 times the number of marbles Parmeet has, and this is equal to 37. This is the equation, and here only we have to form the equation. No need to solve. ठीक है? So we move to the next question. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So let Lakshmi's age is x. Father's age is 49. Now according to the question, 4 years older than how much? 3 times of Lakshmi's age, and this is equal to the age of father's age. 49 is the father's age, 4 years more, ज़्यादा है, then that means 4 is added to what? 3 times of Lakshmi's age. ठीक है? Now third one, a teacher said that the highest marks obtained in a class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. Very easy question. Highest marks is 87. Let the lowest marks be L. Now according to the question, 7 plus twice of our lowest number is equal to the highest mark. So this will be the equation. Last question I am leaving for you. If you are able to understand all the questions, last question you can do yourself. So all of you follow my channel, subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.